Want a real shot at ASCP MLS exam success? Here's your free quick win: how to use an Ask MLS practice exam free to crush your prep and find out if you're really ready. Stick around, because in a moment, I'll share one huge myth that holds lab pros back. Today, you'll learn how to get the most from any Ask MLS practice exam free, avoid common mistakes, and use them to target your weak spots fast. You're in the right place. MLSIAcademy.com is built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success. First, not all practice exams are created equal. Look for an Ask MLS practice exam free that copies real test timing and questions. Guesswork on time? Wrong move. Learn the test format from ASCP.org, use legit resources, and avoid brain dumps. They can hurt, not help. Another myth: blasting through tons of random questions. It's not about more, it's about learning why you're missing certain questions. Next, always review your answers. Don't just see results, analyze them. Does hematology trip you up? Focus there in your real prep. Thousands of lab pros worldwide have passed using our expert-led prep, live classes, video lessons, study guides, and our QBank platform. Unlock more at MLSIAcademy.com. So let's wrap up. A high-quality Ask MLS practice exam free will boost your prep if you use it right. Start with practice, review your mistakes, and get targeted support. Want to go deeper? Check MLSIA, and in our next video, we'll unpack fast MLS recall questions. Subscribe or hit the channel for more.